Hello friends, welcome back my video lecture. In this video lecture we are going to see about solubility of partially miscible liquid pairs. So in this case we have to see the solubility of the liquid pairs. Okay, mixtures of the two liquid component. Okay, partially mixtures. Partially solution is given, so that how we can see that we have to see the three types of partially miscible liquid pairs. We have to see their solubilities. So in this case the first type is the maximum solution temperature type. So in this case you will consider phenol water systems, right? And this is the partially miscible liquids are completely miscible at and above a certain temperature. So these two liquid component, if you will mix at a room temperature, so they can't mix each other, but at a particular temperature they will mix each other. Okay, they will completely miscible, they will completely soluble. Okay, and that's why the solution coexisting with the one another are called as conjugate solution. Okay, and the temperature at which the two partially miscible liquid becomes completely miscible is known as a per critical solution temperature. It means after the uh, adding the both liquid component, it may be another also, and phenol and water also. Okay, at a particular temperature, that two miscible liquid becomes completely soluble, and that is the temperature is known as a per critical solution temperature, right? The composition corresponding to critical solution temperature is known as critical composition. Okay, that corresponding composition we can consider is a critical composition. You will be see the diagram. Okay, phenol plus water. Okay, if you will add both the percentage of water and the phenol, okay, here water and phenol, if you are adding, if you are added both liquid component in one other, in one of the flask, and if you are increase the temperature, okay, like this, so at a particular temperature that you can see both are different phases, so they will, we call it's a heterogeneous phase, right? But at a particular stage they will become completely miscible each other, so we can say there is a only one phase, and this is the homogeneous phase, right? And at a 66 degrees Celsius of these water phenol systems, it will become homogeneous and completely miscible, completely soluble solution, right? This is the upper critical solution temperature is like this. Okay, this is the critical composition solution. Now we have to see the next type. Second, this is minimum solution temperature type. So in this type, mutual solubility decreases with increasing the temperature. If you will temperature increase for this kind of mixture of solution, so the solubility, mutual solubility will be decreases will be here, and the shape of the curve is reverse type first, and the lower critical solution temperature is observed is here. Now mutual solubility of the triethylamine, this is the example of this type of solution. Triethylamine plus water increases with increasing the temperature. Okay, solubility of this mixture of solution will be increase with increasing decreasing the temperature. It means that at a lower temperature the solubility will be occur in this type. The diagram you can see here, temperature is on the y-axis and the weight of the person on the x-axis. So water and triethyl, if you will take mixture of this solution, right? So we will consider at a low temperature, that is 18.5 degrees Celsius, it will become a homogeneous. So solubility of these two mixture will be soluble at this temperature. Okay, at a higher temperature they will become a different phases. It means you can consider it as heterogeneous solution, right? Now we have to see the next, that is type 3. that is minimum and maximum solution temperature type. So in this type you will be see again two different component mixture, right? And the that is the we have to see the solubility of decreasing with increasing the temperature. So again you will be see here the solubility, mutual solubility you will decreases with increasing the temperature. If you will increase the temperature, you will be see the solubility will be decreases. And the shape of this curve is reverse of type first, and lower critical solution temperature is observed here. Lower critical temperature you will be see here. Okay, next, the mutual solubility of thiethylamine and water increases with a decreasing temperature. So temperature, weight of the percent, it you will consider at a medium temperature. So the solubility will get no for the lower temperature and no for the higher temperature. So the you will be see here the at a intermediate temperature you will get the solubility of this kind of mixture. But in this type you will we have taken water plus nicotine, right? And this is the solubility